In this video we're going to look at after action reviews as a way of looking at continuous improvement, supporting this continuous improvement. It's got a similar focus to 5 elements as we saw in a previous video, but it has a different start point, as you'll see. After action reviews started out in the military, where they really did need to have continuous improvement on the job, fast, in real time. It was then taken up by police, by emergency services and various others in that kind of field, and slowly taken up by industries such as construction and oil. The fundamental rule of an after action review is that there's no blame. You pin your stripes at the door. We need that as a vision to hold everything together. No blame means that if there is blame, no one's going to learn anything. And also, pin your stripes at the door is about that everyone had their own responsibilities, so we each need to improve on our own. No one's more important than any other in a review. So the first step is, what was meant to happen? For that we need to have been some kind of plan, which again you'll see connects back to 5 elements. From there we say, what actually happened? What was the action? Now, we don't spend much time on this. We're just concerned with what actually happened. No comment at all. Then we start looking at what was the difference between the plan and the action, both bad and good. It's easy to miss the good. We want to look also for what are the sources for the difference and the reasons for the difference, because those are things that we can learn from. Once we do that, we then want to look at what can I learn to do differently next time, to do it better. I'm going to connect the individual back to purpose, back to the why, the core principles involved here. And we do it for each member of the team. It's not that we look at one person only. In each case, we're looking at the whole, looking at each person. Then we move on to what can we learn as a team, we as a collective rather than a set of individuals. So we learn as a team, how can we improve our coordination between each other as a team? So to reprise, it was used first in the military, then moved on to emergency, to construction, to oil and so on. And we now see it taken up much more by business. But in fact, it's available to everyone. It's really useful to be able to do an after action review after every kind of action. So we've got this vision of continuous improvement that will hold everything together. The vision helps to hold all together as individuals and as a team. So that first step is about what was meant to happen, what was the plan, what actually happened, the action, what are the differences, the source of differences, the reasons for difference, what can we then move on to, what can we learn for this, what are the commitments that we start to make about what I will do to do it better next time. And we then move on to what can we as a team do to coordinate together. How can we learn and make commitments to do our job better as a team? So after action reviews are for everyone. It's an action to support continuous improvement in every type of action. Thanks for watching. Do look at the YouTube description for links to further detail. And don't forget to subscribe for other videos, and also to support us on Patreon to help us produce these videos and the tools themselves.